Hey, what is going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark video between the Asus ROG phone against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the faster version of the Snapdragon 845 going up against the Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM versus 6. The ROG phone is on X mode and the Mate 20 Pro is on performance mode, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Asus ROG phone finished first, however the Huawei Mate 20 Pro scored just a little higher. As for the breakdown of the categories, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher for the CPU, however the ROG phone scored higher on the GPU, and then the Mate 20 Pro scored higher for the UX and the memory. That wraps it up for this benchmark comparison video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including comparisons with the OnePlus 6T, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and and I will catch up with you in the next video.